Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best water balloon launchers that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hayez 2-pack water balloon launcher Slingshot with 24 reusable water balloons. This product stands out with its eco-friendly approach to summer fun. The kit includes 2 launchers, 24 reusable silicone water balloons, and a convenient storage bag. Reusable balloons are a huge plus here, as they reduce waste and make cleanup a breeze. The balloons are made of soft, safe silicone, which ensures they're gentle even during high-impact play. The design is ergonomic with easy-to-grip handles, making it user-friendly for kids and adults alike. However, the Slingshot mechanism is slightly less powerful compared to others on this list. It's ideal for backyard fun, but it doesn't quite match the long-range capabilities of other launchers designed for more competitive or large-scale outdoor games. The reusable design also means you'll spend less time filling balloons, which is perfect for parents who want an easy and mess-free play option for their kids. The Hayez Slingshot is best suited for younger children or families looking for a sustainable and low-maintenance water balloon launcher. On the downside, its shorter range and lower durability compared to heavy-duty options may limit its appeal for older kids or intense water fights. Still, its focus on eco-friendliness and ease of use makes it a solid choice for those who prioritize sustainability. Next up at number 4 is the Janadio water balloon launcher. This product is a long-range powerhouse, capable of launching water balloons up to 500 yards. It includes 500 biodegradable balloons, making it a great option for environmentally conscious users. The heavy-duty construction features strong elastic cords and double-wrapped Oxford cloth, designed to withstand intense play sessions. The Janadio launcher excels in versatility. As it can also be used to launch other items like Nerf balls, t-shirts, and even snowballs. This makes it a year-round tool for creative outdoor fun. However, the setup requires 3 people for optimal use, which might not be ideal for smaller groups or solo play. The product is best suited for large parties, festivals, or competitive water balloon fights where long-distance accuracy is a priority. While the biodegradable balloons are a thoughtful addition, some users have reported that the included balloons are prone to breaking prematurely. Additionally, the launcher's size and power may not be suitable for younger kids. Overall, the Janadio water balloon launcher is a fantastic option for those looking to maximize range and versatility in their outdoor games. Some users have reported that the included balloons are prone to breaking prematurely. Additionally, the launcher's size and power may not be suitable for younger kids or solo play. The product is best suited for large parties, festivals, or competitive water balloon fights where long-distance accuracy is a priority. While the biodegradable balloons are a thoughtful addition, some users have reported that coming in at number 3 is the Teamy Tree Water Balloon Launcher. This long-range slingshot is designed for maximum fun, launching water balloons up to an impressive 500 yards. The kit includes a heavy-duty launcher, a carry bag, and a pack of water balloons, making it portable and convenient for outdoor parties, barbecues, or festivals. The versatility of this product is noteworthy. It can launch not just water balloons, but also soft promotional materials, Nerf balls, and even potatoes. The build quality is solid, with durable rubber materials ensuring consistent performance. However, the launcher requires 3 people to operate effectively, which might not work for smaller groups. The included water balloons are decent, but you may want to purchase additional balloons for extended play. The Teamy Tree Launcher also comes with a 90-day warranty, giving you peace of mind in case of any issues. This product is ideal for competitive water balloon fights or large outdoor events, where distance and power are key. On the downside, the sheer power of the launcher may not be suitable for younger children. Overall, the Teamy Tree Water Balloon Launcher combines long-range fun with versatility, earning its place in the top 3. At number 2, we have the Loptic 300-yard water balloon slingshot. This product offers an impressive range of up to 300 yards, making it a fantastic choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The kit includes 2 slingshot cannons, which is great for team-based games or sharing with friends. The materials are high-quality plastic, designed to be durable and resistant to leaks or breakage. One of the standout features of the Loptic launcher is its versatility. Beyond water balloons, it can launch promotional materials, splash balls, and even snowballs, making it a multi-seasonal product. However, some users have reported the water balloons occasionally get stuck in the launcher, which can disrupt gameplay. Fortunately, the manufacturer provides support and video tutorials to address this issue. This product is ideal for families or groups looking for a reliable, long-range launcher for summer parties or events. While it doesn't quite match the range of the top pick, its ease of use and versatility make it a strong contender. The Loptic 300-yard water balloon slingshot is a solid choice for those who want a combination of fun and functionality. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Bunch O Balloons Slingshot. This product is a game changer in the water balloon launcher market, combining convenience, sustainability, and performance. The kit includes a lightweight slingshot and 6 bunches of self-sealing water balloons, totaling over 200 balloons. What sets this product apart is the patented O-ring technology, allowing you to fill and tie 100 water balloons in just 60 seconds. No more fumbling with knots. The slingshot itself is aerodynamic and easy to use, capable of launching balloons up to 100 feet. While it doesn't have the extreme range of some competitors, it makes up for it with its simplicity and efficiency. The materials are eco-friendly, with the stems and caps made from recycled plastic and the balloons crafted from natural rubber. This focus on sustainability is a big win for environmentally conscious buyers. The Bunch O Balloons Slingshot is perfect for families, kids, and anyone looking for quick, hassle-free fun. Its shorter range makes it more suitable for backyard battles rather than large-scale events. However, the combination of rapid balloon filling, ease of use, and eco-friendly design makes it the best overall water balloon launcher on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.